Hello, this is Jim and Ian at DC Digital, and today we're demonstrating some new enclosures that we have developed, and we're rating them at IP66, and that is high water jet, limited ingress or no ingress of high water pressure. They are constructed all aluminum, and it's 0.080 aluminum welded sides. We're rating them at 12 gauge, and they will come in black powder coated, as you see right here, whereas this one's not black powder coated. I'm just showing that to demonstrate the aluminum finish on them. You can get them in aluminum finish if you like. Go ahead, and we manufacture the whole thing here. This is how they standard come, as two teardrop knockout, or actually holes, and then we cover them with foam, closed cell foam. It's a eighth inch closed cell foam, which allows another seal for those. Once you put it against the wall, mount it to the wall, it seals that back area from water getting into them. Also, we can do custom enclosures. We do have one that a customer had requested, and we put the holes in the side for the cable gland, and then we put holes on the back for mounting them, and also electrical boxes for square handy box. But we can put holes in the top, holes on the opposite side, however you like that. But for our standard enclosures, we'll just have the two mounting tabs, and then usually the hole in the side, right. And then, as you can see, we have it gasketed. It is a closed cell foam gasket. This will fit a 4-inch high, 6-digit display, 4-inch high, 4-digit, 2.3-inch high, 6-digit, and then a 2.3 high, 4-digit display. Thank you for watching.